In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a LinkedIn company page. This can be a great way to enhance your business's online presence and tap into the network of professionals on LinkedIn. We'll go through each step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have a page ready to represent your company. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to linkedin.com and sign in to your account. If you don't have one, this is the perfect time to create it, as it's necessary to set up your company's page. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see an option labelled For Business. Go ahead and click on that. As you scroll down this page, you'll notice various options available to you. Look for the option that says Create a Company Page. Click on that and you're one step closer to establishing your online presence. At this point, LinkedIn will present you with different options for the type of page you can create. Click on Company. Now you'll need to enter the name of your organization. Be sure to use your official business name, as this will be how people identify your company on LinkedIn. Following this, you'll be asked to create a unique LinkedIn address for your page. This will serve as a customized URL, making it easier for people to find you. Just type in a unique identifier that represents your brand. Next, enter your company's website. This step is crucial because it acts as a bridge, allowing potential clients or interested parties to learn more about what you offer outside of LinkedIn. When that's in, move on to selecting your industry. Make sure to choose the industry that best aligns with your business, as it's another touch point for connecting with the right network. The next step is to select the size of your organization. Be accurate here. Whether you're a startup or a larger enterprise, this information helps tailor relevant connections and content. After that, you'll select your organization type, whether you're a non-profit, educational institution, or another type of entity. Now comes the visual elements. Add your company logo. A logo is a recognizable symbol that people can associate with your brand, so it's important to upload one that's clear and representative. Following the logo, you'll need to add a tagline. This is a brief sentence or phrase that encapsulates your company's mission, vision, or what makes you unique. Before creating the page, there's a verification step. You'll need to confirm that you are an authorized representative of your company. Check the box to agree to LinkedIn's terms and acknowledge your authority to manage the page. With everything completed, the final step is to hit Create Page. And there you have it. You now have a LinkedIn company page that's ready to share updates, engage with your audience, and help your business connect with others on a professional platform. Thanks for watching and happy networking on LinkedIn.